Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will explore SoundHound AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You will not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of June 2025, our system has designated SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.15. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of -1.54%. This equates to an average loss of -0.39% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 16.74% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 5.18% to 52.25%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 37.80%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 25.51% to 301.54% over the coming year. In real terms, this translates to a future price between $12.01 and $38.43. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for SoundHound AI Inc. stock after gaining 1.59%. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price increased by 1.59% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 20th of June, 2025. The stock rose from $9.42 to $9.57 during that trading day. The stock experienced fluctuations of 4.89%, with a low of $9.20 and a high of $9.65. Although the price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 1.06% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also increased on the last day, alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 834,000 more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 24 million shares changed hands for approximately $224,095,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.82. Currently, the price is 61.69%, or $15.41, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the symbol SOUN, is gaining attention within the artificial intelligence sector amid current stock market fluctuations. Recent analyses emphasize its potential for significant returns, especially as AI continues to grow at an impressive pace. SoundHound is recognized for its strong technology and remarkable revenue growth, reporting a year-over-year increase of 151% in the first quarter of 2025. Generating $29,100,000. This rapid growth positions the company as a formidable player in the competitive automotive AI space, which has traditionally been dominated by large technology firms. The stock's current valuation is noteworthy, featuring a forward price-to-sales ratio of 20.45, slightly above the industry average. While some analysts advise caution regarding its elevated price, the prevailing consensus indicates substantial upside potential if the technology achieves broader market acceptance. As market sentiment evolves, early investments in companies like SoundHound could offer significant rewards, particularly given that the AI market is projected to reach trillions of dollars. In the short term, rising awareness and optimism surrounding Sound may lead to upward price movement. Meanwhile, in the long term, its growth trajectory in a booming sector could strengthen its position as a growth stock. investors seeking substantial returns might consider SoundHound a compelling opportunity, despite the inherent risks associated with high-growth technology stocks. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned the company SOUN an underperform rating along with a hold action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush rated SOUN as a buy with a hold action. Again, on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, H.C. Wainwright issued a buy rating for SOUN accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush rated SOUN as outperform with a hold action. On that same day, Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald rated SOUN as overweight with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, and so far it has risen by approximately 5.16%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially influencing the near-term developments. The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. reflects a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Concurrently, the long-term average suggests a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this indicates a general sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative outlook. Should the stock continue to gain, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $9.95. Conversely, if it declines, support will be found from the short-term average at $9.48. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative trend. Additionally, the sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal that occurred 5 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal that emerged 8 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average generated a sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average has registered a sell signal from 88 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal that was present 74 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $9.47. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with substantial trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 450 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 4.89%. In the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 5.01%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This key indicator measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -6 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $9.74. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $9.47. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from various analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On June 10, 2025, Imami Majid executed an insider sale of 132,352 shares of Class A common stock. On May 23, 2025, Sroka Diana made an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. On May 23, 2025, Marcus Lawrence also conducted an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. On May 23, 2025, Ball Eric R. similarly executed an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. On May 14, 2025, Stonehawker Timothy conducted an insider sale of 44,157 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 11.703. In total, insiders purchased 6,364,888 shares and sold 6,812,293 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative assessment for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI company shows several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 23rd of June, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open lower by approximately $0.0967, starting at $9.47. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.